Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products so you can shop smarter. Today, we're looking at the best gingerbread house kit pre-made candy icing decoration set, the Wilton Gingerbread Kits. Decorate your own petite house kit by TULLIPAK. Whether you're preparing for a fun holiday activity, a creative afternoon with the kids, or simply want something festive and delicious to showcase, this kit might just become your go-to holiday tradition. Let's get right into what you get in the box. The kit includes everything you need to build and decorate your own gingerbread house without the hassle of baking. Inside, you'll find pre-baked cookies already cut and shaped to form the walls and roof of your petite house. Each piece fits together neatly for a snug, sturdy build. Along with the gingerbread panels, the box includes a piping bag, ready-to-use icing, and a generous handful of colorful candies for decoration. There are also festive holiday stickers included to personalize your masterpiece or decorate your setup area. And yes, easy-to-follow directions are provided, making this perfect even for beginners. Now let's talk about the design. The house measures approximately 5.25 inches wide and 5.75 inches deep, a petite and charming size that fits nicely on a countertop or dining table. It's ideal for individual decorating sessions or multiple kits for a group activity. The color palette of the candies and stickers leans heavily into holiday cheer. Think reds, greens, whites, and a sprinkle of whimsy. The icing is thick and tacky enough to hold pieces together securely and make those candies stick with ease. And because the cookies are pre-baked and the structure is compact, the whole process is relatively mess-free and stress-free, especially for younger kids. What really makes this kit shine is the overall experience. It's less about perfection and more about having fun and making memories. This kit is designed for kids, but it's also a joyful creative outlet for adults. Whether you want to follow a traditional look or do something quirky and unique, the kit gives you the freedom to explore your imagination without the intimidating steps of baking from scratch. Setup takes minutes, and you can go from unboxing to decorating almost immediately. It's a great way to spend a cozy evening with loved ones or keep little ones engaged during the holidays. In short, anyone looking to bring a bit of holiday magic into their home without the baking mess. It's great for kids thanks to the simple directions and fun, hands-on decorating. It's also a thoughtful gift idea for families or teachers looking to add a creative twist to classroom or home activities. Plus, since it comes from a small business brand, TULLIPAK, you're also supporting independent creators when you choose this kit. To wrap it up, the Wilton Gingerbread Petite House Kit by TULLIPAK is charming, convenient, and incredibly fun. From the moment you open the box to the last candy you press into place, the whole experience feels festive and heartwarming. It's more than just a kit, it's a holiday memory waiting to happen. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review. Happy decorating!